In this video, I'll show you how to clear your call log history on your iPhone. Whether you want to delete a single call, remove multiple calls, or clear your entire call history, I'll show you all the ways to do it. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Then go to the Calls tab, or Recents if you're using the classic phone app layout. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent incoming and outgoing calls. If you only want to delete one specific call, simply swipe left on that call. You'll see the Delete option appear. Tap on it, and that call will be removed from your call history. You can also swipe all the way to the left on a call to delete it instantly. Now, if you want to delete multiple calls at once, tap Edit at the top. From the list, choose Select, then select the calls you want to remove. After selecting them, tap Delete to remove those calls from your history. If you want to clear your entire call log, tap Edit again. From the list, choose Select, then choose Clear in the top right corner. After that, select Clear All Recents to delete your complete call history. And that's it. That's how you can easily clear your call log history on your iPhone. I hope this video helped. If you found this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and turned on the notification bell for more helpful videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.